you crying? Woman,
Yes, sir.
talk to me. Why are you crying?
My husband is affecting me.
Your husband is what?
It's affecting me.
Your husband is fighting you.
Yeah.
Means your husband is beating you, right?
Yes, I'm internal bleeding too.
Your husband has been beating you. How you getting internal bleeding?
Yes.
Don't you know that we don't beat women in this community?
He's beating me every day.
Your husband is beating you every day.
Yes.
He's beating you in the morning.
In the
He's beating in the afternoon.
In the evening.
In the evening. In the midnight also.
Midnight and the dawn.
And the dawn too.
Yes.
He's beating you.
Yes.
Don't worry, stop crying. I'm Inspector Kyinkyinaa Twan. I will arrest your husband.
Thank you.
It's a prohibited of beating a woman in this society.
Thank you. Let's go.
Man don't have to beat a husband. Man don't have to beat a wife. If you beat your husband, it's a prohibited. I will show him the law of Ghana today. I will let your husband know the law of Ghana and the constitution of Ghana.
Thank you.
You don't meet ladies.
Thank you.
It's not good. I will arrest him.
Okay.
I will put him in jail.
Okay.
Let's go.
Let's
go. Let's go and show your husband. Let's go. Where is your husband? Call him for me. Call him for me. Call him for me.
You beat me again.
Never. As far as I'm here, the government personnel, how can he beat you again? Call him. Some of our multi come and I'm going to the man down the bank and I'm going to my rough rough. When the chairman signs a moon. Sure, my shit and this. Oh, dear, I'm going to police station. I'm going to put an issue in the house. All right. Where's your husband?
That's him.
Who?
The front woman.
Is your husband bodyguard or your real husband?
My husband.
Your real husband? What's about the TV to say?
Very humble.
What humble? Me sure I know ya. What did you make matter mo? What can say rough on?
No.
Na no ya ho. Wo mu hwe, me sure mu ade. Oh, mama ka tell say mo kwa ware aware enya wano to be be me go na ba bom.
Hey, officer.
Oh, floor officer say.
See already.
Me ni hwa meye.
Arrest him.
Arrest who?
This man.
Not everybody we do arrest. Some people we don't arrest them. Some people we arrest them. Some people we give them advice. This man need advice. Me pacho. I won't say bibi any oyo ba. Se boni bi no be yakura wo bo na yesu so bo no ba wo yiri mi hwe na no ya. Enti bibi ni a boni ha no. Man kan ho advice. And family hunted am catch say carry on, you can do anything you want as far as you are a man. What is
Hey,
that?
officer.
Hey, if we no kro wonam na wo hia me and friend ma me yan kwase arrest say bim so what? This arrest must be stopped here. Okay, good night.
Officer, I will go with you.
Yeah.
Hey, come on, brother. Hey, brother.
I'm Inspector Kyinkyinaa Twan. As far as I'm policeman in the community, I shall make sure and see that real smoking away, drug smoking away, appetition smoking away, money defilement away, stealing away, murdering away, wife cheating away, child labor away. If you do so, I will imprison you in jail. Thank you for understanding me.